Good girl.
Get it like that. Keep ripping.
Who's it from?
Merry Christmas, Chloe. With love, Gran and Gramps. I'm going to help you out.
I think she's gonna drop it. No?
You have to open it. Or are you just shaking?
Maybe Daddy needs to help.
Yeah. Here, I'll trick you.
Oh, this is pretty. Oh, they're falling on the ground, Chloe.
Oh.
Ta-da! Special bibs made from Gran. How do they work? Oh, I see. Nice. Look at the flower. Happy girl. Okay. Yay. Bye-bye, Chloe. Say bye-bye.
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 Say bye-bye. Say thank you. Bye, Gran. Bye, Gramps.